Hello there, in this video I would like to give a quick review the best solution for fixing bricked iPhones that are stuck on recovery mode, and to recover from boot loop, blue screen. Tenorshare ReiBoot is world's leading software to solve iPhone booting problems. These problems include recover from black screen, or restore from recovery mode DFU mode, or recover from Apple loop blue screen. Available to both Windows and Mac platforms and is free to download. Here I will show you a quick tutorial of how to use this tool on my iPhone. You don't need any sorts of professional skills, it's just a work of a few couple of minutes. With a click of a button you can enter or exit recovery mode, it's that simple. If you got some major problems you can use repair operating system here. You will be able to fix all sorts of problems related to your iPhone. As my iPhone don't got any problems, I will just skip this up and exit recovery mode. Thanks for watching. You can get 30% off using the code above, and there are 5 Pro license giveaways being held by Tenorshare, so stay updated. Hope you liked this video. Here you can see everything is done within few minutes. Thanks for watching. You can get 30% off using the code above, and there are 5 Pro license giveaways being held by Tenorshare, so stay updated. Hope you liked this video.